CNC Motors, and these cars are amazing. Like, there is just cars upon cars of insane exotics and just super rare cars. Like, we can't even I mean, we're back in the older section, and like, these cars are just ridiculous. I mean, an old Studebaker truck. When was the last time you saw a Studebaker truck?
Look at this Ford. Look at the hood. Look at that. Damn. Oh
yeah, this is full-on show truck right here. This is amazing. Alright, can't go wrong with the Lincoln Continental here. Anytime you got suicide doors on a convertible, it's pretty awesome. And even the older Ferraris are just still so good looking. There's a Demon, still like showroom wrap and everything. This is like off the showroom floor. Old Corvette, Mustang, McLaren, like, dude. We're in the Mustang and Camaro section. ZL1, R8 V10, there we go, nice. Another V10, SLS. This is right up your alley, dude. And GTR just hanging out. No big deal. In case you didn't need one SLS, we got two SLSs, three SLSs, four SLSs. This yellow one is pretty gnarly too. Look at this thing.
Oh, that's a Black Series, that's why.
Yeah. Tell me about the Black Series.
Race car. The best of the best. Carbon ceramic brakes, oh my god. Slightly wider, you see?
Oh yeah,
All the track stuff, fully adjustable rollovers, reservoirs. I think it's like
interior's insane.
I don't remember what the horsepower is. It's like 650.
Carbon accents everywhere,
yeah.
Which that's part of the black package, right? You get carbon fiber everywhere.
Yeah.
Huge ceramic brakes.
Lighter, louder, and faster. Damn, dude.
And this color is insane in person. Yeah. Like, the video is kind of making it more goldish than it actually is. But damn, this is pretty sweet. It's got the older five-spoke classic looking wheels on it, but it's obviously one of the newer style Carreras. Sick. I mean, LaFerraris are just ridiculous. I don't even know, is there even a price tag on this thing? Oh yeah.
Oh, 4 mil, no big deal.
Almost 4 million, and around 4 million, yeah, nice. Alright, so the Bugatti Veyron, W16, quad turbo, right around 1,000 horsepower, active rear aero. This wing is insane. When you hit the brakes, this whole thing flips up. So, I mean, that's pretty awesome. Interior is just super, super classy. Carbon fiber roof. You know, the Veyron, obviously carbon ceramic brakes. The Veyron is one of those cars that just performs amazing on the road, and they're pretty quiet for the amount of power they produce. It's just, this car is amazing. I love the Veyrons.